Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. So the question says find the coordinates of the foci, the vertices, the length of the major axis, the minor axis, the eccentricity and the length of the latus rectum of the ellipse given. So solving this question, we will discuss the key concepts to be used in this question such that we know that there are two types of ellipse that we study as standard form of ellipse, that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 if a is greater than b, both of them greater than 0. So it is a horizontal ellipse, and we study x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, and this is the form of vertical ellipse when b is greater than a and both of them greater than 0, right? So the key points that would be coordinates of foci, for each of them we will discuss. So foci points are, if we consider as S, then for horizontal ellipse they are AE, 0 and S dash minus AE, 0, where E is eccentricity. Similarly for vertical ellipse the points are 0, BE and S dash we can consider as 0, minus BE, right, where E is eccentricity. So let us discuss eccentricity for horizontal ellipse, that is E is equals to under root of 1 minus B square upon A square, since B is less than A, and for vertical ellipse E is equals to under root of 1 minus A square upon B square, right? Again for vertices we have, if we consider as A, that would be A, 0 and A dash minus A, 0. For vertical ellipse point will be, let us say B, and that would be 0, B, and B dash as 0, minus B. Then we have length of major axis. So length of major axis for horizontal ellipse will be 2A. For vertical ellipse it will be 2B. Then equation of major axis, so we can write major axis, we can discuss both major and minor axis. So for horizontal ellipse major axis is x-axis, so we can say y equals to 0, and minor axis is y-axis, so x is equals to 0. Now for vertical ellipse major axis is y-axis, so x equals to 0, and minor axis is y-axis, minor axis is x-axis, so it will be y equals to 0, right? And length of latus rectum, so length of, we can say LR, that would be considering it as L, and that would be equals to, for horizontal ellipse it is 2B square upon A, and for vertical ellipse it is L is equals to 2A square upon B. So solving this question using these key concepts, we will have, for first exercise we have been given an ellipse x square upon 49 plus y square upon 36 equals to 1. Now this can be written as x square upon 7 square plus y square upon 6 square equals to 1, right? Because 7 square is 49 and 6 square is 36. So clearly we can observe that A is equals to 7, B is equals to 6, and A is greater than B, both of them being greater than 0. So we can say that this is a horizontal ellipse, right? So we will write the points. Therefore, first we can write foci points. First, starting with vertices. So vertices will be A, that is A, 0, that is 7, 0, and A dash, that would be minus 7, 0. Then we will find foci points, for which we will have to find eccentricity, right? So eccentricity, we can write it here. will be E, that would be equals to under root of 1 minus a b square upon a square. So 6 square upon 7 square. Solving it, we will have root 13 upon 7, right? So if we have the value of E, we can also calculate AE. So AE will be equals to 7 into root 13 by 7, and that would be root 13, right? So we can say that foci points will be AE comma 0, that would be root 13 comma 0, and S dash will be minus root 13 comma 0, right? We have the foci points, we have the eccentricity. Now we have to find length of major axis, and that would be twice of a, right? 2a is length of major axis, so it will be equals to 2 into 7, that is 14 units. Then we have to find equation of major axis and minor axis, and that would be same. So major axis will be x-axis, that is y equals to 0, and minor axis will be y-axis, that is x equals to 0, right? Now we have to give eccentricity, we have already calculated. We have to find length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum, that is we are denoted as L, we have denoted as L, and L would be 2b square. So 2 into 6 square upon a, that is 7, so it is equals to 72 upon 7. So these are our answers for the first exercise. Now solving the second, we have been given 16x square plus y square equals to 16. This is the given ellipse. Solving it further, we will have x square upon 16 upon 16 will be 1, and 1 can be written as 1 square, plus y square upon 16, that would be 4 square equals to 1. What we have done is we have divided 16 both the sides, right? Now clearly we can observe that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and b is greater than a, both of them being greater than 0. Therefore this is a form of vertical ellipse, right? So we will have the vertices, that would be a 0 comma b, and a dash, that would be 0 comma minus b, right? Then we will have foci points. So foci will be equals to S, that would be a 0 comma be. Now calculating e, that is eccentricity, and be, so eccentricity will be equals to e, that is equals to under root of 1 minus a square upon b square, since a is less than b, right? So this will be equals to under root of, now a is 1, so 1 square is 1 upon b square is 16. Solving it, we will have root 15 upon 4, right? And ae will be equals to, since a is 4, a is 1, so we will have to calculate be over here, not ae. So be is 4 into root 15 upon 4, and that would be equals to root 15, right? So we can say that focus or focal points will be S, that is 0 comma be, that is root 15, and we will have S dash, that would be 0 comma minus root 15, right? That is 0 comma minus be. So we have the vertices and foci. Now finding the other points, that is length of major axis. So length of major axis, that would be equals to 2b, right? So b is 4, so 2 into 4, that would be 8. Then major axis equation will be equals to, will be x equals to 0, that is y axis, and minor axis is y equals to 0, that is x-axis, because it is a vertical ellipse. Now we have to find the eccentricity. Eccentricity we have already calculated, so we will find length of the latus rectum. So length of LR, that would be equals to, we have denoted it as L. L will be equals to 2a square upon b, that would be equals to 2 1 square upon 4, and that would be equals to 1 by 2. So L is equals to 1 by 2, right? So this is, we can also include units over here. This is also units, and unit can be anything that has been given in the question, right? This will be units as well. So this is the final solution for the given question. Hope this is understood well. Best of luck and thank you.